Alright guys, here we are with another unboxing. This is part of the upcoming build. Yes, I've done everything on the cheap. So, got a Dominator winch from Adventure Kings / 4-wheel drive super centre. So I thought you might want to join me as we get this out of the box and see what's actually included. So, I'm guessing cut along here. A lid or something that comes off. Right, so we've got the remote, and that. Let's try and get all this in the shot, eh? So the remote, I've got that is, I'm guessing that is the sender for the remote unit. We've got the front plate. That looks very nice. Billet aluminium. And here we have got the control box, or the power box, whatever you call it, over there. A hook. Bolts. Earth strap.
I don't need that. I probably need that. I knew you had your winch, Daddy.
Okay. Yep, that is my.
Because if I don't work in the chain, my bedroom was just flying in the sunlight. I'm going to stand here.
Okay. Let's have a look at this bad boy. It actually feels really good quality. So that's engaged, free spool, mounting bolts down below, a little bit of corrosion on the bottom of it. Dominator rope, pretty much it. There'll be some more coming up, and there'll be some obviously videos of this stuff being fitted. Catch you later.